my name is Abhishek and today I am going to talk about a very important topic which is nothing but about the coronavirus cases that took particularly in India. Why? Because for the past week the number of coronavirus cases has been increasing dramatically in terms of numbers. That too, most of the cases has been reported by only one state, which is nothing but Maharashtra. So, first let me get into the number of coronavirus cases and let me tell you into what they have done till now. So let me get into the topic right away. So as of now, when I am recording this video, the number of coronavirus cases has been reported as 40,953. So until last week, it was around 18,000 cases per day. But now it has dramatically increased for past 1 week alone. So this is the reason why that I chose this topic now. So what happened is, because of the rise in coronavirus cases, the North India, especially the Maharashtra and Punjab, have imposed a 2-week lockdown in northern states. So this is pretty strict. Why? Because as you all know, the number of coronavirus cases has been increased dramatically. So almost it has increased up to 30,000 cases in the past couple of weeks. If you see last Monday, it was around 20 to 25,000 cases. If you see on Wednesday, it was around 30,000 cases. And now it is around 40,000 cases per day which has been reported. So because of which they are implementing a very strict lockdown in North India. It is stricter than the previous lockdowns. So I'm going to tell about 8 interesting facts about this lockdown, and we will see each and every point now. First interesting fact is nothing but not more than 20 people are allowed in wedding and funeral. So if you see here, if you take the wedding, the groom's side family and groomsmaid family itself will come around 10 to 15 members. So this 2 weeks there will be no guest. The second interesting fact is only 100 people can be there in particular mall. So if you take any mall, only 100 people should be there. The thing is, this part was pretty difficult. Why? Because if you see in a mall, there will be a lot of shops which will be kept there. So among which there will be a lot of staffs working over there. So according to my opinion, there will be around 100 staffs who will be working in that particular mall. So I don't know how they are going to segregate the people and staffs who are going to be working there. And it is also very difficult to monitor there also. So the next third important fact is nothing but cinema theaters should run at 50% capacity. So yet again they have reduced the capacity of the cinema theaters to 50%. So if you see, even though we have brought to 100% of capacity of cinema theaters, no people is willing to go and see that. So if you bring back to 50 percentage, there will be a huge loss to the cinema industries. The sixth interesting topic is nothing but the schools and colleges, except the medical colleges, should be closed on till 31st of March. So this will be pretty interesting for the school students. Why? Because for them they will can enjoy this particular week. So this is the fifth interesting topic. The next interesting topic is nothing but offices also should be closed during this 2 week lockdown. So if you see, this coronavirus is so extreme in such a way that even it has reached the next level. So this is the fifth interesting one. What I said before was fourth interesting, sorry. What I said was fourth interesting topic previously. Now this is the fifth interesting topic which I said now, which is nothing but the offices should be closed. Even if it is necessary to work, it should be under shift basis or 50% capacity. The next interesting fact, that is the sixth interesting fact, is nothing but the Sunday will be also under the lockdown, which is like the previous lockdown. Why? Because in order to contain the coronavirus cases. The seventh interesting topic is nothing but from next Saturday on, 1 hour will be a silence hour in Punjab, which means during 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. no vehicle will be allowed to move outside. So what our government is saying is, this is due to the remembrance of those who have died in Punjab due to the coronavirus cases. But according to me, this is due to which the people will not be able to go to their own natives during the weekends. So this is the seventh interesting topic which I like to say. The last and final interesting top fact is nothing but the night curfew. So the night curfew has been implemented from night 9 p.m. to morning 5 a.m. So this is like the previous lockdown. So these are the 8 interesting facts which I like to say. So I hope you like this video. Before ending this video, what I like to say is, second wave of coronavirus has started, and yet people do not recognize that the risks of coronavirus. So I request all the people to wear their mask and follow their social distancing and stay safe. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, and also tell me on what video I should make next. Thank you.